Joint pain due to arthritis is a very common chronic health condition and affects many around the ages of 50 and above. Is joint pain affecting you or your dear one's daily routine too? GO365 Nutra keeps you going. With GO365 Nutra Tablets, experience a natural way of relieving your pain and restoring joint health. It offers herbal and nutraceutical benefits for maintaining joint health. Herbs like haldi and shalaki help in soothing pain and reducing swelling. Nutraceuticals like glucosamine HCl and chondroitin sulfate help prevent joint and cartilage damage. Enriched with vitamins and minerals for healthy cartilage and bones. GO365 Nutra is a result of Charak Pharma's 70 years of scientific expertise and Ayurvedic wisdom put together for effective joint care. Manufactured at WHO GMP certified units with authentically tested ingredients. Get GO365 Nutra and keep